Hello everyone, welcome to my amazing channel, Not. So today, we're going to be doing a test. We're going to be seeing if styrofoam glue will make slime. So let's try this. So I have this because I'm broke and I don't have any bowls. So yeah, let's do this. And I think this is clear. Nope, it's not clear. It's just white glue. So I'm going to be using what is this? Contact solution and baking soda. I have some baking soda right here inside this little tissue paper. So we're gonna, okay. Alright, so first we're gonna add in just a tiny bit of contact solution, just like 2 drops there, because we're gonna start easy, and then like as this sprinkle of baking soda, and now we're going to mix this up. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure that this might make slime, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Few more drops and a little more baking soda. Is this making slime? I think this is making slime. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix. This is the first time I've ever made slime, like by myself, and it's like not already like almost made. Like this is the first time I've made homemade slime and like ever. Because this is amazing. Oh, but it still needs a little more activator. So a little more activator. We go. Okay, so I think I have overactivated it a bit. Maybe. I might have overactivated it. But this styrofoam glue works very well. I mean, like, you don't need too much activator for this, but you probably need only like a little bit, but I'm gonna add in a bit more baking soda because I didn't really add that much. So there, I added a little more baking soda, and you do not know how good this looks. Like, first slime ever, looks really good. Okay, so I think I have it completely ready now. I think I have my amazing slime. So we have answered the question, does styrofoam glue make slime? And yes, it does. So bye guys!